Hi, welcome to my channel Yanam Takshasila. In this new video, I am going to solve a mathematical problem under analytical geometry. So the problem is, prove that the circles x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 6 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 5x plus 6y plus 15 equal to 0 touch each other. So what you need to show that? You have to show that the given two circles are touch each other. So there are two conditions, whether they touch each other externally or internally, that you have to show. For externally means you have to show that the distance between the two centers, that is C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2, or the distance between two circles, that is C1 C2 equal to R1 minus R2 or R2 minus R1, then you can say that the two circles touch each other internally. So either this or that you have to show. So solution. So from the given two equations, we will find the center C1 and radius R1. Similarly, from second circle, we will find the center C2 and R2 by comparing these two equations with the general equation of circle. So given, so first to write the first equation, given x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. We number this equation number 1. And write the second equation. What is the second equation? X square plus y square minus 5x plus 6y plus 15 equal to 0. This is second equation. Now we have to compare these two equations with the general equation of circle. Now from 1, so from 1 what will get? 2g1. So 2g1, in place of 2g1 you have minus 2, and 2f1 you have 6, and C1 6. So G1 will get minus 2 by 2. Upon cancellation you will get G1 equal to minus 1. Here F1 equal to 6 by 2. Upon cancellation using 2 table, you will get F1 value is 3. So you got the values of G1, F1 and C1. From this we will find the center C1. So what is center C1? C1 equal to minus G1 comma minus F1. So what is that? What is G1 here? Minus 1. So minus already is there. So minus minus plus 1. And here F1 is value is 3. So minus 3. So this is C1. Now from this we will find R1 also. What is R1? R1 equal to square root of G square, G1 square plus F1 square minus C1. So we will get, what is G1 square? G1 square is minus 1 square. Then what is F1? F1 is plus 3 whole square. Then what is C1? C1 is minus 6. So we get, expand this minus 1 square is plus 1. 3 square is 9 minus 6. So we get 10 minus 6, that is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So R1 equal to 2. So we got the C1 and R1. Now similarly from second equation also we will find the values. From second, by compare this second equation of circle with the general equation of circle, we will get, what is 2g2 here? 2g2 equal to minus 5 and 2f2 equal to 6 and c2 equal to 15. So what is g2 here? g2 is minus 5 by 2, f2 is 6 by 2. Upon cancellation using 2 table, f2 value is 3. So you got the values of g2, f2 and c2. From this we will find the center c2 and r2. So what is c2 here? So C2 equal to minus G2 comma minus F2. So that is, what is G2 here? Minus 5 by 2. So already minus is there, so it will be plus 5 by 2. Then here F2 value is 3, so minus 3. So this is C2. So just put it in the box. And then from this we will find the R2. So what is R2? R2 equal to square root of G2 square plus F2 square minus C2. So this is equal to, what is G2 square? G2 value is minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 whole square. Then F2, what is F2 is 3 square. Then what is C2? C2 is minus 15. So we get, so this value will be, so minus 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4 plus 9 minus 15. So expand this, so we get square root of 25 by 4, 9 minus 15 is what? minus 6. So this will be, now take LCM 4. So you get 25 minus 24. So what is this? Square root of 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? 1 by 2. So you got the value R2 equal to 1 by 2. So C2 you got, R2 you got. The next step you need to find the distance between C1 and C2. So what is C1 you got? 1 comma minus 3. And what is C2? 5 by 2 comma minus 3. So how to find the distance between 2 points? Use the formula, distance formula between any 2 points, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. What is that formula? That is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now take this x1 y1 as x1 is 1, y1 is minus 3 and x2 is 5 by 2, y2 is minus 3. So we'll get C1 C2 equal to square root of, now x2 minus x1, that is 5 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, so minus 3, here already minus is there, so it will be plus 3 whole square. So this is equal to, what is take LCM here? So that will be 5 minus 2 by 2 whole square and my 3 minus 3, that is 0, so 0 square. So we'll get square root of 3 by 2 whole square. Now this square root, this will cancel, so we'll get C1 C2 equal to 3 by 2. So the distance between C1 and C2 is 3 by 2. Now we have to check whether this is equal to sum of 2 radii or difference of radii. That means we have to check the values of R1 and R2. So what is R1 you got? R1 value is 2, R2 value is 1 by 2. So what we'll do is, we check the difference first. So R2 minus R1. What is R2 here? 1 by 2 minus 2. So what is R2? R2 1 by 2. R will check R1 minus R2. That is better. So R1 minus R2 will be, so what is R1, R1 minus R2? That is 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 2s are what? 4 minus 1 by 2. So what is that 4 minus 1? That is 3 by 2. So this is nothing but this is equal to C1 C2. So therefore the condition C1 C2 got R1 minus R2. So the distance between two centers equal to difference of 2 radii. So this shows that the given two circles touch each other internally. So therefore the given two circles touch each other internally. So this is the conclusion we have to write. Now if you want to solve problems of this kind, I have given you a link in the description. Please click on that link. And this video is mostly useful to the polytechnic and engineering students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Anam Takshashila for further updates. Thank you for watching my video.